Hello everyone.
Hello, how are you
Yes,
today?
eh, hopefully all are in good health and well in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic. Today, we'll discuss about education and language. Hopefully, our video can provide a little education and be useful for all. Enjoy watching. Hello Doris. Hello
Hello,
Indah.
hello.
You.
Hello
How
Doris,
are you?
how about you?
Yeah, hello. Yes, we are fine. How about you?
Yes, me too. In a pandemic like this, we all know that COVID-19 has a major impact on all elements such as economy, social, education, uh, even for our own education. We as students are forced to study from home. What do you think, Mr. Doris?
Yes, of course. I think this is very heavy and detrimental for all of us because I think this kind of system is not effective enough for our education. Hi Indah, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. What about you, Doris?
I'm fine too. What are you doing today?
Yes, Mr. Doris. I'm working on discussion about bahasa Indonesia. Can you guys help me, Mr. Doris, Indah?
Yes.
Oh, that's great Indah. What do you know about bahasa Indonesia, Indah?
Okay, Mr. Doris. Bahasa Indonesia is of the official language of Indonesian where majority of the people speak Bahasa Indonesia. It was proclaimed to be their unflying language a day after the country independent. They formally declared the Bahasa Indonesia will be their national language along with the official region of their constitution. It is Timur Indonesian language is regioned as a working language. Mr. Doris?
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Doris?
Indah, thank you.
Mr. Dede.
Yes, yes. According to KBBI, also called as Standard Dictionary of Indonesian, language is a symbolic system that arbitrators used by a group of people who work together as partner. Intellect and nationality identification as written on the Indonesian dictionary. We can understand that language can function as a symbol system of sound. Each having select style, different pattern of Indonesian, and some differences in vocabulary. The outcome of the production by a language is prioritized to deliver and information and focus on what's in that information more than on the aesthetic function it produces. Mr. Doris.
Thanks untuk Mr. Dede. Language is a symbol of sound. Indah.
Okay. What do you mean by a symbolic system, Doris?
A symbol system is the relationship symbol and the conventional meaning it contains, whereas a system means it is a thing that the relation between a thing and purpose aren't conventional but in fact determined by the special character that I think or situation has. Dede?
Yes, Mr. Doris, thank you. So we can conclude that a language can be used as a tool for communication that can deliver through writing or any other media which has already been found by the other party. We are communication with language delivered through writing are called as primary. And when it is delivered to any media order, then writing they are called secondary. Miss Indah.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Dede. Doris, are you from Java? Can you speak Javanese slang?
Thank Indah. Yes, Indah. I was born brought up in Java, so I can speak Javanese fluently. Mr. Dede?
I can add that up to my discussion. I can read about the different local language we have, Mr. Doris.
Yes. Indonesia is well known for its high level of diversity. It consists of island which is connection by different ethnies and ras from Sabang to Merauke. Dede?
Where do you come from Indah? Where do you come from, Indah?
Okay, Dede. Oh, Bachang, I am from Java too. Just like Doris. The only difference is I was born in Jakarta, so I can speak Javanese slangs. I fluent as Doris.
That you are not Javanese. You are Javan in hand, Dede?
Yes.
Yes, there's a lot of local language in the Java Island. Three are different language used as a medium for communication by each people, such as one Sunda, two Java, three Madura. Miss Indah.
Okay. As a country full of diversity, there is a chance that the country can be broken down to the different in regions, ranks, and tribes in the country. In activation of the split, it is needed for the people to read and master the unflying language that is Bahasa Indonesia.
What about national language? Mr. Doris.
Thanks, Mr. Dede. Liberated country need to have a national language to communication with the people of it our country and also with outsider.
Oh
Dede?
yes, Mr. Doris. A country must have their official local language that is to be used by their own people for communication. So even if a person from a different part of the country to exchange information, they can still communicate to one another. Usually, the language used as unifying language is called as a national language, Mr. Doris.
Yes. The national language or the state language in Indonesia is Bahasa Indonesia. Indah?
Yes, but the national and the state lands we are imported and its function has to be fulfilled in any of the function is not complete. Then the function of the Indonesian lands will fade and disappear. This is what matters the most because if this happen, the tree will be a sorry, this disanti in all over the country. Even the storm for fortress that Indonesia has will be easily completed the adversaries. Mr. Derry?
Yes, thank you, Miss Indah. According to Indah, even
Yes.
though national and state language are the same, each of them has a different function. Mr. Doris.
Yes, Mr. Dede. What do you see to be the function of starter language?
Yes. Uh, one, as an official language spoken nation wide. Two, as the language of education. Three, for the development of national culture, science, and technology. Four, as the facial of communication among the provinces and different regional culture in the country for the importance of planning and implementing construction. Even when each individual has different purpose, there is common importance of the real learning about allowance we can deliver as well as understand a, a message or simple in exchange of information through communication with the other person we are talking to. Doris?
Thank you, Indah. Because if the language we ask is not understandable, we might receive a negative response. Also, it might lead to a misunderstanding which can be fatal. Mr. Dede?
Yes. What about the variety of language, Indah?
Yes, variety of lounge is a from a lounge that varies according to the method used to deliver it in communication. Doris,
Thanks, Ina.
yes,
When deciding on which language to be asked in communication, people base their decision on distinct one, the medium of communication through oral of or writing. Two, the subject. Three, the relationship between the speaker. Dede?
Yes, Doris. There must be a lot of different local language in Indonesia, Mr. Doris.
Uh, Indah, do you
yes, yes,
know
yes.
how many local language there in Indonesia, Indah?
As per Januari itu 2019, there are 617 one launched in Indonesia with its spread nation wide from Nangro Aceh Darussalam till Papua with 34 provinces. Or can also be said from Sabang to Merauke. Yes, Dede,
Yes, thank you, Indah.
Doris.
What is the importance of language, Indah?
Yes, particularly it is used for day-to-day communication. Artistically, it is launched format in such a way till it becomes aesthetic- aesthetically pleasing. Educational, it is used a media to gain knowledge of the lands, even for other division. Psychology, it can be used to write or spread to do research on the historical background of human being, culture in tradition, and the development of the land. Understand, Doris?
Yes, thank you, Indah. There are three main function of language, such as three one as a communication tool, a language on our word that has meaning. Every word has its own meaning and they are relation to a concept or an object of is representative through language. Every individual can do a two-way communication which will be understand. 3 2 as a tool to unite the nation. One of the main function of a language is as communication tool which can help to unit countries national with. A citizen can deliver their opinion through an understandable language. People in communication that speaking the same language which is understood by its people will create a stronger unity of their national.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Doris. All right, thanks a lot for sharing your knowledge, guys. Now I have a lot of things to write on my discussion.
You are most welcome, Mr. Dede. After all, that one friend for. Indah.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Hope and help. Okay. See you again. Thank you. Bye.